For the first recipe with Molly Dooker wines, I'm using the 2021 Blue Eyed Boy Shiraz. So it's rich, decadent, full of spice. So I'm gonna make these beef brisket hawker rolls. To kick things off, brown your brisket on both sides and then add it to an oven-proof pot with some Thai red curry paste, chicken stock, coconut cream, and then pop on the lid and whack it into the oven at 140 for 6 hours. Once it's cooked, remove the lid and use 2 forks to pull the meat and stir it through that beautiful cooking liquid. To make the fresh salad, add some finely sliced spring onion, coriander, mint, cucumber, and a handful of bean shoots with the zest and juice of 1 lime, a tablespoon of fish sauce, and 2 tablespoons of chili oil, and give that a toss. To build your hawker roll, grab some roti, add on some chili mayo, some of that beautiful brisket, and a handful of that fresh salad, and you're good to go. You're gonna make some friends with this recipe, I can guarantee you. Cheers, guys.